Okay. Trade 610 3600.
Play 600 with a niggas who run it. Yeah. Trade 600, 3600. Trade 600, 3600.
Hey man, it's Wednesday. I hope y'all getting to your money on, getting to your fun yons, and make sure you do something for somebody less fortunate than you are. God has blessed us all, and let's bring all that right back around. We got a few stories for y'all, and the first one, Trump really just commuted Larry Hoover's Fed sentence. Like what? That boy Larry Hoover been sitting in the Fed since Blockbuster was popping. And now Trump said, free that guy.
Breaking news, the attorney for Larry Hoover confirming that President Trump has commuted his sentence. Hoover is a former Chicago gang leader and the founder of the Gangster Disciples. He was serving a life sentence at a prison in Colorado. Hoover was convicted of murder in Chicago and then later convicted on several federal charges. He will still have to serve his sentence on state charges. The news just now coming out. We will have much more on this story as it continues to develop.
Bruh, Kanye and Drake wasn't capping when they did that Free Larry Hoover concert. Folks said it was performative. Turns out they was on some real low-key political ops. Now look, he still got to deal with that 1973 state charge, but this is a big step. The streets say it's a W, and the internet say, why not Tory too?
We don't know if we're not trying to let him get visits. We're trying to let him come home, guys.
No, that's what we're talking about. That's what this live is about. The state case is not over. I want you to pin JB Pritzker from your own page to say free Larry Hoover. Because it's in his hands at this point. Right now, he's still under state jurisdiction. He's free from federal jurisdiction.
So that's the next step. That's the next step. He's explaining to you guys the next step. That is the next step. So he is free.
Yeah, I see. Somebody asked, can't Trump just make the call? Trump doesn't govern over the states. Oh, at this point, he can't do that. He may have the power to. So far, that's not happening. We need to deal with Mr. President. We need everybody to go to their own page and pin him free Larry Hoover and say what a benefit he would be to have for this community.
And can you guys share this live? Exactly. He did already what he was supposed to do with the feds. Now the state is something different. Someone's asking you, Larry, can Pritzker pardon him? He can, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he can.
Yes. Pritzker can say we done with it. We don't want to deal with it. Let him go. That's what we're working on. We want Pritzker to say let him go. There's no need to happen.
So quick political education on this. The president oversees federal and the governor oversees the state. This is both federal case and a state case. Federal case is done. Now the governor can easily swipe the pen and allow him to come home. So we need JB Pritzker, in which he said that he was open to in some meetings to make it happen and make it happen swiftly.
He said, how can the state hold him? He's the only person, I think, that's being held in two jurisdictions until today, correct, Larry?
Well, I thought it was illegal to do. I don't know of anybody else myself, but yeah, it's not common. I don't know if anybody else was in that situation. I thought they had to. My understanding was always that once you had the Fed case, they have to get rid of the state case and put you under the Fed case. But they held him under both jurisdictions. So now that he's free from federal jurisdiction, they can go get him. We don't know. We don't even know if they're going to get him, but we want to make sure that they don't.
Yeah. So they're asking when is he getting out?
He should be free from the feds in hours by
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Either tonight or tomorrow he'll be free. How long is the sentence for the state they're asking?
Well, he was a C number, and it takes the parole board to free you as a C number. They choose when they feel that you can be free. So it's an indeterminate amount of time when you was a C number. This is something they had in the 70s. And it's still people stuck at C numbers. But C numbers have to go to the parole board, and the parole board decide if you can be released. So it's not a time.
Mama said
it
was 200 to 250 years, but most of everybody has been released already.
Real question. Trump trying to turn this back into a 2024 free the real vote? Or is this just wild timing? Y'all let me know in the comments.
Trey 600, hey, this the drop right here. If you ain't with it, you getting dropped, baby. Get with it before you get left behind, baby.
Yes, sir. Hey. Shit, what it do to CSG? I'm at ATX, you know what I'm saying? Got about 6 white girls in the condo. Head huncho, so nigga 9 like Rondo. Matter of fact, after that, had to call a nigga Trey 600. You know what I'm talking about? Get you some real footage, man. Some real shit, some real quality filming going down. That's what the business is. ESG, HC, I said that.
Yes, sir.
Bow. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. Coalition DJ Fame. Out here on 6th Street. Yes, Trey 600. Twin TV. I love you, brother. You do your motherfucking thing, man. Come on, ready, man. Y'all know what it is. Trey 600. Yeah.
What's up, it's your boy OG T Will. You know, Funky Town Finest, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, T Will 817. I heard with Trey 600, man. Y'all subscribe to him too, you hear me? Where the content is always hot, baby.
Big beauty, nigga. Trey 600, nigga. In the building, nigga. Talk to me. I talk back.
Here we got a Trey 600.